Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my work, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot. Leave a comment about what you liked most and enjoy the video. Thanks. The Fremont Street Experience, FSE, is a pedestrian mall and attraction in downtown Las Vegas, Nevada. The FSE occupies the westernmost 5 blocks of Fremont Street, including the area known for years as Glitter Gulch and portions of some other adjacent streets. The central attraction is a barrel vault canopy, 90 feet, 27 meters, high at the peak and 4 blocks, or approximately 1,375 feet, 419 meters, in length. While Las Vegas is known for never turning the outside casino lights off, each show begins by turning off the lights on all of the buildings, including the casinos, under the canopy. Before each show, one bidirectional street that crosses the experience is blocked off for safety reasons. Concerts, usually free, are also held on 3 stages. The venue has become a major tourist attraction for downtown Las Vegas and is also the location of the Slotzilla zip line attraction and the city's annual New Year's Eve party, complete with fireworks on the display screen. History: Fremont Street had Las Vegas' first hotel, the Hotel Nevada, in 1906, present-day Golden Gate. First telephone, 1907. First paved street, 1925, first Nevada gaming license, issued to the Northern Club at 15 East Fremont Street, first traffic light, first elevator, the Apache Hotel in 1932, and the first high-rise, the Fremont Hotel in 1956. The Horseshoe was the first casino to install carpeting, while the Golden Nugget was the first structure designed from the ground up to be a casino. For many years, the western end of Fremont Street was the area most commonly portrayed whenever producers wanted to display the lights of Las Vegas. The large number of neon signs earned the area the nickname Glitter Gulch. By 1992, 80% of the Las Vegas casino market was on the Las Vegas Strip. Downtown Las Vegas hotels and casinos sought to build an attraction that would lure more visitors to their businesses. After Paramount Pictures head Stanley Jaffe refused to approve a proposal to build a life-size Starship Enterprise, the Fremont Street Experience was chosen as the project. FSE, LLC is a cooperative venture owned and operated by a group of downtown hotel/casino companies, comprising 8 hotel/casinos, as a separate corporation responsible for financing, developing, and managing the Fremont Street Experience. It was the second Las Vegas project of architect John Jerd, whose firm was paid approximately $900,000 by the city of Las Vegas to create a show concept for the downtown area. Jerd's design included a floating sky parade which was to be suspended from the canopy. The concept was accepted by the Fremont Street Experience as well as the city of Las Vegas. Ultimately, Jerd's sky parade concept was scrapped, but the architectural design for the canopy was carried through. The local architect of record, Mary Kozlowski Architect Incorporated, cited the following as problems with Jerd's sky parade concept. 1. Perspective. The view of the parade from below made the concept unworkable. To properly view the project would require that visitors stand at a raised elevation such as a 3rd or 4th floor vantage point. 2. Wind. The addition of the canopy over Fremont Street would create a wind tunnel, causing a dangerous condition for people on the floats who would be trapped. Also, the potential for harmonic motion as the floats swung back and forth in the wind, potentially resulting in massive structural failure of the canopy and fatalities. 3. Sand. The combination of desert sand and the mechanical systems of the Sky Parade would make the attraction difficult to maintain. Fremont Street light canopy during the day. A new concept for the show was necessary quickly as funds were already available and the overall schedule was set. The concept for the show as it now exists was conceived by architect Mary Kozlowski, who had grown up in Las Vegas and knew and loved Fremont Street. It was a light show on the underside of the canopy, the world's largest and most spectacular. Peter Smith, executive vice president of Atlantia Design, recognized the beauty and practicality of the concept. JURD, FSC, and the city of Las Vegas embraced the show concept. Kozlowski's concept was to use a combination of 4 colored light bulbs per light, which allowed a full spectrum of colors. The Young Electric Sign Company assisted in creating the test panels and in the final installation. After the Fremont Street experience opened, the light bulbs were checked nightly to ensure that all were functioning properly. To accomplish this massive undertaking, the length of the canopy was divided into panels. Each panel was checked by separately turning on each of the 4 colored light bulbs. A maintenance worker on a lift would then replace any bulbs that were out. The most expensive bulb cost nearly $15 to replace. The canopy was expected to cost $63 million. Downtown casino owners pledged $18 million to help pay for the project, and they supported a 2% increase on room tax for most downtown hotels. The Las Vegas Redevelopment Agency also agreed to provide approximately $27.6 million to build a parking garage and pay for street improvements. The city wanted the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority to pay a remaining $6 million for the project. West, top, and east, bottom, ends of the Fremont Street experience. On September 7, 1994, a 5-block section of Fremont Street was closed to automobile traffic for good, and groundbreaking was held on September 16. After that, the digging up of the street and the installation of the support poles continued into December. On February 15, 1995, the space frames were brought in and the roof began to take shape. The last piece was installed in July 1995. The official public preview was held in conjunction with the Nevada Symphony. The light show was opened on December 14, 1995. The first New Year's party was held on December 31, 1995. In 1996, a horse and rider neon sign from the Hacienda Hotel Casino was placed at the FSC's east entrance, at the intersection of Las Vegas Boulevard and Fremont Street. It was added by the Neon Museum. Permanent stages were added in the early 2000s, eliminating the need to bring in temporary stages for every event. The sound system was upgraded in June 2001. On June 14, 2004, a $17 million upgrade was unveiled that would feature a 12.5 million LED display and more color combinations than the original display, which was composed of incandescent lighting. The initial $70 million investment and the continued improvements have resulted in successful and ongoing downtown redevelopment. The city of Las Vegas and the downtown casinos have benefited as more than 60% of visitors to the downtown area are lured by the overhead light show and stage shows and stay to enjoy the attractions of the nearby casinos. A $32 million renovation of the video screen began in May 2019 and was scheduled to conclude 6 months later. New LED lights would make the screen 4 times the resolution and 7 times brighter than before. The upgrade was designed and constructed by the Illinois-based Watchfire Signs. Also in development was a smartphone app that would allow visitors to choose the next song to be played on Fremont Street, and would also allow them to watch the canopy show on their phone. In November 2019, plans were announced for a new LED sign, 27 feet by 14 feet, that would show images of Fremont Street throughout its history. The sign, part of the $32 million renovation, would be built on the east side of Main Street and Fremont Street, and was expected to be operational the following month. Work on the canopy video display was concluded as of December 2019, with the official unveiling scheduled for New Year's Eve.